Welcome to ABC Tech Institute. My name is Ashia and I am the trainer of RAC. I am going to talk about refrigeration and their principle and what is air conditioning we are going to talk about. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. Refrigeration is the process by which the temperature of closed space is lowered and maintained below ambient temperature. It means we can also say that refrigeration is a process of cooling which produce cooling. Okay, and we can also say that refrigeration is the process of transfer of heat. If we want cooling, so we should reject the heat from our enclosed system to ambient system. Okay, so next we are talking about refrigeration principle. So first principle is heat always flow from high temperature to low temperature. I will give you an example. If our ambient temperature is 48 degrees Celsius and our room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, so the transfer of heat between means heat always flow from high to low temperature. This is high temperature and it always flow from low temperature. So next principle is when we increase pressure, the boiling temperature increase, and when we decrease the pressure, boiling temperature will decrease. Okay, now we are going to talk about air conditioning. That what is air conditioning? So it is the process where we control some properties of air in enclosed space. So if we want air conditioning, it will always happen in enclosed space, closed space. Okay, it is possible when the space is closed, then we get the air conditioning system. So some properties are like temperature. We should in air conditioning we control the temperature, our room air temperature we control. And I talk about human comfort temperature, so it is 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. It is our human comfort temperature. Now the second properties of air we control, which is humidity. It is the amount of water vapor in atmosphere. So if we talk about in summer how much humidity we want, so it is 50 to 60 percentage. We measure humidity in percentage. Okay, so don't be confused. And in winter we want 40 to 50 percentage humidity. Okay, now the third air properties is air motion, means the flow of air conditioning air in air conditioning rooms. If we want the flow of air in this side, so for this we use flag used for air motion, or we can also say air flow. Okay, the next properties is which we control is air purity. So air conditioning air is filtered to remove the dust in the air. We know that in air some dust particle moves, and for this we use filter. So we purify the air and remove the dust from the air. So air conditioning is the process where we control some properties of air like temperature, humidity and air motion and air purity. If you like the video, like, comment and share it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you.